Hello, children. So, in our ICT subject, nowadays we are learning fun with paint, right? You have learned the steps to open paint, how to open the paint. There are 4 steps, right? And you learned about the parts of window, paint window. You learned about rectangle tool, oval tool, line tool, eraser tool, and then fill with color tool, brushes, and also we did the back exercise in the last class, in the last lesson, right? So today we are going to do some notebook work. Okay, so first of all, you have to write the heading at the top, chapter 7, fun with paint, and we'll do few keywords related to this chapter. Keywords, keywords will help you to answer the questions even in reading the question and understanding the question, right? So you really need to write down and learn these keywords. Number 1 is drawing, DRAWING, draw ing. You can learn it right. DRAW, draw ing, drawing. Tool, very easy. TOOL, tool. Eraser, razor. Paint, PAINT, paint. Oval, OVAL, oval. Rectangle, REC, tan, TAN, GLE, rectangle. Line, LINE, line. Size, SIZE, size. Brushes, BRUSHES, brushes. Shape, shape, right? So these are the 10 keywords which you have to write in your notebook, right? Also, you need to learn them. Okay, now another thing which we will do in the notebook is identify the tool. Identify means you should know. You have to identify, pehchanna, you have to identify the tools. These are the tools that you have learned or you have learned the usage of, right? Now you have to identify which tool is this. For example, look at this one. Number 1, which tool you think it is? ये जो outer है, this is the box. The tool is inside the box. Every tool has a box as a boundary. So, which tool is this? Yes, rectangle tool. This is rectangle tool. So, if you know the spelling of rectangle, you can write the name easily, right? Next one, which tool is this? Very easy. Oval tool. This is oval shape, so this is oval tool. This is very easy. Line, so line tool. Now look at this one. Different sizes are shown here. So which tool is this? Please don't mind my drawing. No, you know I'm very bad at the drawing. Yes, size button. Size button. Which tool is this? You can use this tool to erase something. Yes, eraser tool. The next one, which one do you think is this? Yes, it is a bucket. So fill with color. This is fill with color tool. Now here the color spelling will remain COLOR because in computer it's written like this. Now this one, brushes. This is brushes tool. So these are the 7 tools you have to know. You should be able to identify all of these tools because this is very important. From this chapter, only this concept is going to come. The identification of the tools and steps to open paint and your back exercise. Right? So you should know each and everything about the tool. Like you need to identify, you should know the spellings, and also you should know that with rectangle tool you can make a square also, with oval tool you can make a circle also. Okay, what is the use of each tool you should know. For example, rectangle tool to draw a rectangle or a square, oval tool to draw an oval or circle, line tool to draw a straight line, size button to change the thickness of the line, eraser tool to erase something, this bucket fill with color tool to fill color in an object, and brushes tool to paint something or fill color in or do the coloring in something, right? So this is what you have to do for today. Write down the keywords, start learning them, and then the identification of the tools, right? That's all for today. Bye bye, take care.